Today, I'm taking you inside this factory to see exactly how a 24K gold bar becomes this $5,000 iPhone 17 Pro Max Gold.
From pure 24K gold bars to CNC machining, electronics assembly, polishing, and testing.
Let's start right at the beginning with the gold itself.
This pure 24K gold is the starting point for every iPhone 17 Pro Max Gold.
Each iPhone 17 Pro Max Gold starts with a carefully measured amount of 24K gold, so its weight and value are perfectly controlled.
This 24K gold bar is now entering the induction furnace. We're ramping up to over 1,000 degrees.
This ingot will be flattened into a precise sheet that becomes the outer body of the iPhone 17 Pro Max Gold.
Even inside the iPhone 17 Pro Max Gold, every edge is hand-finished for precision fit.
Measurements. The journey to perfection begins here. Using a fine compound, we transform the satin gold into a flawless. Before any electronics are added, every iPhone 17 Pro Max Gold housing is ultrasonically cleaned to leave the 24K gold spotless.
Here we apply the display sealant for the iPhone 17 Pro Max Gold housing.
While the 24K gold bodies are getting ready, the brains of the iPhone 17 Pro Max Gold, the logic board, are built here.
Every logic board for the iPhone 17 Pro Max Gold is fully tested before it ever meets that 24K gold body.
Now all the major parts for one iPhone 17 Pro Max Gold are together. Time to assemble.
The final audio components are rigorously tested, ensuring flawless performance. Only those that pass are
24K Luxury Edition. The technician carefully installs the solid gold side buttons into the polished housing.
Even the camera rings are solid 24K gold on the iPhone 17 Pro Max Gold.
This is the first time this iPhone 17 Pro Max Gold wakes up.
This iPhone 17 Pro Max Gold is part of a numbered 24K Gold series, limited to just 500 examples worldwide.
Finally outside, this is the 24K Luxury Edition. Let's break the seal and take a first look at the gold standard.
Sure. From a raw 24K gold bar to this $5,000 iPhone 17 Pro and Max Gold,